Hi friends, I'm re-uploading this problem. One of our dear friends, have earlier seen a discrepancy in the problem. Right, instead of 7, I have written it as root 7. Right, the solution would become different, but I will solve it for 7. Right, that was the discrepancy. One of our good friends have pointed out that. That's why I'm re-uploading this. Right, let us solve this now. Root of x squared plus 8x by root of x plus 1 plus root of x plus 7 equals 7 by root of x plus 1. Right. So there is x plus 1, x plus 7 and x plus 1 and 1 and 7 put together 8. Right, 1 plus 7 is 8. So if you multiply all the three sides, all the three terms with under root x plus 1, we can get rid of this denominator. Right. Then let's proceed that way. Right, let's proceed that way. If multiply all the three terms with under root x plus 1. Right. Then let's see where we go. If you multiply that, then this becomes root x square plus 8x, root x square plus 8x because this will go away. Then this becomes, the second term becomes under root x plus 7 into under root x plus 1 and third term becomes 7, right? Under root x plus 7 into under root x plus 1 equals 7, right? This becomes under root x square plus 8x and here this becomes x square plus 7 plus 1 which is 8x plus 7. That is why we are multiplying with under root x plus 1 plus 7 equals 7. Right. Now this part is common under root x square plus 8x. Let's call this as t just for easier calculation. Then this equation becomes under root t plus under root t plus 7 equals 7. Earlier I made that mistake. The mistake was instead of 7 I had written it as root 7 but I have done the working for 7. Right. Instead of 7 if I had written it as root 7, right, then t equal to 0 can also become a solution. But if it is 7, t equal to 0 is not a solution, right? One of our dear friends have pointed that out, right? So now it is, in fact, the original problem is 7 only, not root 7. So if this becomes clearly, we can see that just by looking at this, t equals 9 is a solution because root 9 is 3 plus 9 plus 7, 16, right? Root 9 plus 7, root 16 is 4, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Right, this just by looking at it, we can tell, but we should still know the algebraic way of finding this out. So what we do in this case, we'll just square this left side and right side. Then this becomes t plus 7. Right. This is t plus 7 is 2 under root t into t plus 7. Right. T plus 7 plus 2 under root t into t plus 7. Sorry, I forgot to put the plus equals 49. Right. Then this becomes 2t plus 7 plus 2 under root t into t plus 7 equals 49. Right. That means 2 underscore under root t into t plus 7 becomes 49 minus 7, which is 42 minus again this 2t. Right. We still have another square root. So let's square this again. Right. So this what we have, square root of t into t plus 7 equals 42 minus 2t by 2. This 2 is there, right? This becomes 21 minus t. So let us square this again. Then this becomes t into t plus 7 equals 21 square plus t square minus 42t. That means t square plus 70, t square plus 70 equals 21 square plus t square minus 42t. This t square and this t square we can cancel. So 70 plus 42t, which is 49t, equals 21 square, which equals 7 square into 3 square. So 7 square into t equals 7 square into 3 square. That means t equals 9. Right, just by looking at it, we have figured out that t equals 9. But this is a long way of finding out that t equals 9. Now, but what is our t? T is x square plus 8x. X square plus 8x equals 9. Right. Originally our goal is to find x, not t. Right. So x square plus 8x minus 9 equals 0. X square plus 9x minus x. Right. 8x is 80 plus 9x minus x minus 9 equals 0. So that means x into x plus 1 minus 1 into x plus 9. Sorry, x into x plus 9 minus 1 into x plus 9 equals 0. X equals 1 or minus 9. Clearly we cannot take minus 9. Why? Because if we take minus 9, this becomes minus 8, minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. This also becomes minus 9 plus 7. This also becomes negative. This also becomes negative. Right, which we cannot take. So, only solution is x equals 1. Right, x equals 1. Then it will satisfy this equation. Right, guys? Hope you understood this. Hope you like this. Thank you.